Okay, good morning from day 16 of the Zeekr Big Lap, and today is a rest day at Barkly Homestead. We got here a bit late and couldn't get a powered site, which was a bit annoying, but it just meant that we had an enforced rest day. It's funny because there are multiple plugs for each site, so I could have, if I'd really been persistent, I could have gone around and borrowed some power, but as it is, we're just going to have a nice rest day, and this is a nice spot to rest. Maybe we'll go for a bit of a walk around and show you some of the sights of Barkly Homestead. This is how I've got the Hotel Zeekr set up. Oh, sun there, so I'm not sure if you've seen this yet, but this is how I slept in the tent last night. But this is how the actual, with the mattress in the car. So this is how I'll sleep tonight, because we've got plenty of power, and it means that when we leave we'll be hopefully close to 100%. It's a bit windy today anyway, so it's a good day to rest. But there you can see the bed, how it fits in the car, heaps of space, doing the laundry, and got the Coleman mattress. But you can see I've got heaps of space with my head there up against the seats, and the seats move forward slightly. Plenty of space with even that spare tire in there. There's the tent all packed up, and then when I do this I just rearrange everything and put it in the front. So there is the front situated, and we're already at 31%, so it's 10 o'clock, and we're at 31%. We arrived with 27 and 138 kilometers of range. The next charging site is 190 kilometers, but we'll just charge all day. I mean, technically I could probably charge for another 3 or 4 hours and then leave this afternoon, but I think I'll just stay here and do the laundry and everything. So yeah, we'll see you later as we go for a bit of a walk around. Twig's enjoying the day, not actually driving. Twig, sit, sit. Good girl. Good girl. It's guinea fowl. There's a sign that says caution guinea fowl crossing, and a whole bunch, about 20 of them ran this way. But here's a small little group. Twiggy, come. Twiggy, come here. Twiggy. 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 Sit. Sit. Look at all of them. Big herd of guinea fowl. Just chilling out, having a bit of a walk around. They're from South Africa and they are quite good to eat. Look at them go at Barkly Homestead.
Register with right hand. We got register with right.
Twiggy, what do you reckon? Sit? Do you have a nice sit here? You're a good dog? That's it. That's Barkly Homestead. Ruby and Errol. Beautiful. Red tail. What do you reckon, Twig? And there's the famous guinea fowl crossing sign. There's guinea fowl here. And there is a pool. Powered and unpowered sites. And there's the Zeekr. There's the Zeekr in the shade. And it's 12:30 and all the other campers are starting to show up. Over there's the unpowered sites. Already some stragglers. And then here, all the caravans are showing up. Here's my laundry. And there goes a happy traveller. Plan F is the flatbed. Here we are at the homestead.
I went down to Virginia, seeking shelter from storm. Caught up in the faithful, watched the towers roll. 5 years past in the wrapped in golden dreams, stop the rain. When sinners fail, how we should more.
You guys gonna go?